Hello there guys, my name is Karthik Viyyapu, welcome to my channel. So here I am with one more special travel vlog as I am going with my family, not with my friends. The location will be Chitrakoot Waterfalls. It is in Chhattisgarh. So the total distance will be 321 kilometers here to Araku and Araku to Chitrakoot. Without further delay, let's get started. The packing is done and these are the jackets, the clothes, the food items, camera kit, and we are ready to roll. We have started from Visakhapatnam at 4:50 am. Right now time is 6:30 and we have reached Tumuku viewpoint, the first viewpoint in Araku, and it's raining already here. I'll show you the viewpoint. So the next viewpoint will be Araku viewpoint. Let's go there. Just now we have reached the Galikonda viewpoint. There is some photo shoot going on, couple photo shoot over there. There will be a good viewpoint. This is the full good viewpoint. Due to the fog, you will not be able to see anything. So initially it was 321 kilometers and right now it is 236 kilometers left, and it says 5 more hours to go. We started from here and right now we are at Galikonda viewpoint and we need to go to Araku, next Koraput and Jagdalpur. Just now we have reached Araku and we are here at Annapurna restaurant. So this is a quick break stop, and once we are done with the break we will be starting to Jagdalpur. So you will be getting a Y junction, you will be taking a right. So this goes all the way till Paderu. So you
35 kilometers.
Yes, so 35 kilometers all the way till Jaipur. So hello, hi guys, we have reached Jagdalpur. From Jagdalpur, Chitrakoot Waterfalls will be 37 or 40 kilometers. We just took a room here. That's the Hotel Mona. We took 2 rooms for 1200 rupees. Reasonable and most affordable. And this area is called as Chandni Chowk Jagdalpur it seems. We will be going to the lunch and then we will be starting to Chitrakoot Waterfalls. I'll see you up there once again. New Kerala restaurant. So finally we have reached Chitrakoot Waterfalls and the time is 4 o'clock. So this is the parking area, a very big parking area. Park your cars here and it will be 50 rupees per car. So you can see some people enjoying the boat rides, and if at all you wanted to go for a boat ride, you see over there, you need to go there, wait for the boat to come, and then you need to board the boat. They'll take you all the way from here till there. Awesome, right? You see them. Looks like Bahubali. Ah. Wow. Hey. Whoa. Oh. Just right behind me. Big home. So hoping that you all enjoyed my travel vlog on Chitrakoot Waterfall. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Thank you so much. See you in the next video once again. Bye bye.